Hi friends, welcome back to Pranavi's Tools. I hope all of you are doing good. Today's video is foods improve the sleep. This is one of the requested video by friends and colleagues. They were saying we are not getting enough sleep, we are not getting proper sleep, sound sleep, we are not sleeping for a long time, like the problems they were saying. I have an idea about the hormones in body responsible for the sleep. Then I thought, how can improve the sleep naturally? Is there any foods to improve the sleep? I searched on it. I found some foods. Some of them have same hormones responsible for the sleep. Some of them have nutrients, vitamins, minerals to improve the production of those hormones. Then I decided to do a video on that. It might be useful for some people. Before getting into the video, if anybody watching first time our channel, please watch our previous videos. If you like the videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel Pranavi's Tools. Getting enough sleep, sound sleep, sleeping for a long time without awaking in between the night time is benefit from your mood to immune system. A good night's rest is important for our health. All of us know everybody must sleep 7 to 8 hours each night, but it's not always easy for adults aged between 50 to 60 years to sleep 7 full hours each night, right? Too little sleep may increase the risk of depression, heart diseases, diabetes, high BP. Sometimes it may lead to death also. As I said before, there are two hormones responsible for our sleep. The first one serotonin, second one melatonin. Serotonin relaxes our body and brain by relaxing muscles and nerves. Once serotonin produced, it converts to melatonin. This only regulates our sleep. This melatonin is high at dark. That's why we'll get the sound sleep and we'll sleep for a long time at night time compared to day. If these two hormones are not produced in enough quantity, we will get this problem, sleeplessness problem. In technical, it's called as a insomnia. If we consider a doctor with this problem, they will give some sleeping tablets. If we have those tablets, we will get sleep at initial days. If we use those tablets for a long time, instead of sleep, we will get some side effects. Why unnecessary problems with the medication? We can overcome this problem in a natural way by making small changes in our diet, such as by having certain sleep inducing foods at each night before going to bed. We'll probably experience better sleep compared to earlier days. Now let's see easily available sleep inducing foods are. The first one, oats. Oats are rich in melatonin, which is a sleep regulating hormone, so it relaxes body and helps you fall asleep. But you must try to eat a bowl of oatmeal after dark for help sleeping. Better to eat this oatmeal 1 hour before going to bed. Second one, cherries. Cherries are also a natural source of melatonin. When you eat these cherries regularly, it helps in regulating our sleep cycle because it contains melatonin. We can have these cherries as such or in the form of juice also. Third one, dark chocolate. It contains serotonin, a relaxing hormone, relaxes our body and mind. Once our body and mind relaxes, we can get sleep easily. We can have it day and night, no time restrictions for that. Some vitamins and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium and iron help the production of these sleep regulating hormones, serotonin and melatonin. So we can consume the foods which have those minerals and vitamins. Especially vitamin B6 is essential for conversion of the amino acid to serotonin, that is a tryptophan amino acid. Bananas are one of the foods having those minerals. Bananas have magnesium and potassium. These two are muscle and nerve relaxants. Vitamin B6 in fruit converts tryptophan to serotonin, so this fruit increases relaxation even more. So we will get sleep naturally and we will sleep for a long time without awaking. Next one, chickpeas. Chickpeas produce a great source of tryptophan. Once this amino acid is available for our body, the hormone production automatically trigger. Thereby we will get the sleep as early as possible. Eat this chickpea hummus during the day for better sleep. Next food, prunes. Prunes have vitamin B6, calcium and magnesium. These minerals and vitamin help making melatonin. Once the melatonin is produced, we will get the sleep at night automatically. But we have to consume these prunes 30 minutes before bed. We can have these prunes as such, otherwise we can use these prunes whole grain toast as topping. Next, sweet potato. It also relaxes our body and brain as it contains potassium, magnesium and calcium. We can enjoy this sweet potato as a dessert at night time after dinner by placing honey and a pinch of salt on the top, or by spreading a nut butter on the top of the potato pieces. Next, poultry. If you come to poultry, turkey, chicken, eggs have tryptophan amino acid. This amino acid help your body make those two hormones, mood relaxing hormone and sleep regulating hormone. So we will get the sleep once produce the hormones. The no worry. Milk and milk products such as yogurt, cheese, crackers are rich in tryptophan and calcium. These triggers the serotonin and melatonin levels probably at night. That's why our grandmas and moms used to say better drink warm milk before going to bed. Do you remember? This warm milk improves our sleep quality and decrease movement at night without any disturbance throughout the night. Thereby we will get a sound sleep. Next, nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds have magnesium and tryptophan. These minerals and amino acid boost serotonin levels in our brain, so our brain and body calm down and we will get natural sleep. Last but not least, pista. Generally we will call it as a sleep inducing jackpot because it is packed with the protein, vitamin B6, magnesium, all of which contribute better sleep. I hope now you have got an idea about the hormones responsible for our sleep. Then how can we improve the production of these hormones for natural and better sleep? Having these foods, some of them are cheap, such as oats, banana, milk, chicken and eggs also. Select the foods according to your choice, enjoy them, but you must remember one thing, you should have these foods 30 minutes to 1 hour before going to bed. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay home and stay safe. Be healthy. Bye bye.